Hello guys, this is from Mrs. Abby. In today's video, I want to give you some information about the bird of paradise plant and how to take care of it. I will share 21 tips on how to take care of a bird of paradise indoors. Before I share this information, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Now for the 21 tips that can hopefully answer the question that so many of you have, and that is, how do you take care of birds of paradise indoors? 1. It is an outdoor plant that can be grown indoors. 2. It is known as a Strelitzia reginae. 3. The bird of paradise has no trunk. 4. It flowers beautifully. 5. It is a strong plant which can grow tree height. It can grow up to 6 feet if grown indoors. 6. Although it can tolerate a wide range of light levels, it grows best and thrives better in sunlight-filled rooms in your house. I would never recommend this plant as a low-light plant. This plant needs a good amount of daily sunlight to stay healthy. I've never experimented with using artificial lights with this plant, so I can't give you accurate information about artificial lights for this plant. I hope to one day experiment with artificial lights for this plant, but for now, I'll stay silent on that topic. 7. This plant, I am told, adores direct sunlight, but I would never put mine in direct sunlight. I keep mine in a sunny room that gets filtered sunlight. I use sheer curtains and or open blinds to filter out this direct sunlight. I once had a bird of paradise that I kept in front of a window that got lots of direct sunlight, and the leaves began to burn until I put up some sheer curtains to filter out some of the direct sunlight. So if you want to place it in a window or close to a window that gets direct sunlight, make sure to filter the window with some type of window treatments such as sheer curtains, see-through curtains, or blinds that opens. Having scorched leaves makes this beautiful plant look unhealthy. 8. The leaves get extra large as it grows taller, making it a beautiful plant to showcase in a corner of your home that gets enough bright light to keep it looking healthy. Make sure to rotate it daily if placed in a corner, so all parts of the plant can get equal amounts of sunlight. Placing plants in a corner without rotating them will cause the unrotated part of the plant to get brown or yellow leaves, and that can cause that part of the plant to die. The entire plant needs a good amount of sunlight daily. To be frank, it is a good idea to rotate plants daily no matter where they sit. 9. Sometimes As the leaves grow, the bird of paradise can be mistaken for a banana plant. 10. You can place it outdoors during the warmer spring months as well as all summer, making sure to protect the leaves from getting scorched while outdoors. 11. The bird of paradise enjoys warmer indoor temperatures and can grow quickly and nicely indoors at a temperature between 70 to 85 degrees. I keep the temperature inside my house at a constant 75 degrees year round. So all my plants enjoys the same temperature inside my house. 12. This plant can quickly absorb all the nutrients from its potting mixtures and fertilizer due to its fast growth rate during warmer and hotter seasons. So therefore, it needs added nutrients often. A lot of people fertilize their bird of paradise with different types of liquid fertilizer often. But as I say in a lot of my videos, I don't fertilize my plants. I simply refresh the soil by removing the potting mix from the top of the soil and replacing it with fresh new potting mixture that contains a slow release fertilizer. That way, I don't risk over fertilizing or under fertilizing a plant. As the plant grows taller and gets larger leaves, you have to refresh the soil every 2 weeks to give it the proper amount of nutrients. 13. You don't need to feed this plant with additional plant food. The sunlight it gets daily will provide the plant with much needed energy to make its own food. So no need to give it plant food. Plus, you do know that there is a difference between fertilizers and plant food. 14. I am told it is poisonous to humans and pets. Keep this plant safely away from your pets and family. Wash hands immediately after handling and caring for this plant. 15. To keep the plant from having leaf issues such as brown leaves, try using filtered tap water or bottled water such as distilled water. I use unfiltered water on this plant by placing some tap water in an uncovered jug and leaving the jug uncovered between 24 and 48 hours. Then I water this plant with the water from the uncovered jug. 16. Since this plant enjoys warmer or hotter indoor temperatures and sunny rooms, it will require a little more humidity. Using humidifiers and misting the plant can help with this issue. 17. Keep the leaves clean by giving it a shower or by wiping the leaves with a damp paper towel. For stubborn stains on the leaves, add a little dish soap to the damp paper towel and gently rub because this plant's leaves easily tears. 18. The bird of paradise can be propagated. 19. I've never had any pest problems with this plant, so I can't talk a lot about it. I simply keep the plant's leaves clean, keep it in a sunny area in my home, and water it as soon as the soil becomes a little damp. I think that will help with the pest issues. Once I learn a little more about the pests that can harm this plant, I will let you know how to deal with it. 20. Here is some watering requirements for the bird of paradise plants. Water the plant, if possible, with bottled water such as distilled water. This plant doesn't like the chemicals and salts in the tap water. Water it frequently due to the growth rate and the larger leaves, especially after it gets a lot larger and larger leaves. Thoroughly water it each time you water it to ensure the entire plant gets enough moisture. Increase the water frequencies as the plant grows, always keeping the soil moist but not soaky wet. When watering it, let it sit in the water in the saucer no more than 10 or 15 minutes. Letting it sit in water longer might cause the roots to rot. Because the bird of paradise doesn't like the chemicals that's built up in the soil due to fertilizing it a lot and due to the tap water, you will probably need to flush the soil at least twice a year. I have a video that I shared with you all a while back. I think it was last spring, on how to flush all your houseplants once they get salt buildup and chemical buildup. I will leave a link to that video in the description. Just remember that flushing your houseplants will eliminate a lot of the nutrients that's found in the potting mixtures. So make sure you replace the nutrients that was lost from the flushing. 21. Here's how I water this bird of paradise. While it is small, I take it to the sink. Once it gets larger, you can water it in the location you have it in. Here's what you will need to water it. 1. Saucer. 2. Bottled water or filtered tap water. Enjoy watching as I water this beautiful houseplant. Guys, I hope this video was helpful to you if you own a bird of paradise. And if you want to own it, I hope it gives you the information you need to take care of your bird of paradise too. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. I appreciate you watching. Bye for now, guys. See you in the next video.